Again, our daily Sudoku practice continues. Hello, everyone. Welcome. Today, yes, it's weekend. Today, in the weekend edition of Saturday, November the 9th, 2024. Look, November the 9th, 2024. We have here two regular puzzles. The Medium Sudoku with 3 stars and the Samurai Sudoku. Yes, this one I will solve tomorrow on Sunday evening. This one I will solve in a minute. And in the weekend edition, we have also a puzzle page. See the weekend edition of Saturday. We have here 6 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the 2 stars, 3 stars, the killer Sudoku, 2 binaries, one with 4 stars, one with 3 stars, and the last puzzle is a tectonic, aka jigsaw Sudoku. 6 extra puzzles, 4 of them I will solve in the evening, not now. Now I will do the medium 3-star Sudoku. And for tomorrow afternoon, we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4-star Sudoku. 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star in Dutch stick on the cipher block in Japanese Suguru, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve, not all, only 4 tomorrow afternoon. Now, this afternoon, this medium 3 stars Sudoku. And this one will be number 9561. Let me zoom this. Okay. 9561. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 26 printed digits. Well, usually the 3 stars has 25. This one has 26. Should be a 2 stars. Puzzle for 2 stars puzzle I need 15 to 20 minutes. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with the 3 stars. 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 3 stars or 2 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. All right. Let me see. How about 6 in this column, 6 in the column next, so in the last column, the only 2 place level 6 will be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 5, 4 missing numbers in this big square, 1 of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 in these 3 boxes, so 1 box left on the 9 in this big square. Should be there. 9, 9. 2, 3, 4. All right, 1, 1, 6, 6. Need a 7 there. 7. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 in these 2 boxes. We have a 7 in the last column. No 7 in those 2 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. We have a pair. The 1 and the 7 in the last column. The 1 and the 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. Alright, these 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, 2 is missing, 3 is missing, and a 4 is missing. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. That means 1 digit left in this row, in this column. Is the number, the 1, the 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. Okay. 2, 2. 2 in one of these 3 boxes in this column, 2 in the column next on the last column. Now only 2 place level 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Need 3, 3, 3, 3. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 in this box. So the 3 could be here, could be there. 3 in this row, 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So the row below. Only 2 place level 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3, 3, 3. And I need a 4 here. Alright, 2, 2, 2, 2. Whoa. 8, 8. 8, 8. Yeah. Let me think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 in these 3 boxes. We have a 7 in the third row. No 7 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. 7. 6, 6. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left 1 should be there. 9 in this row. First row, 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place level 9 should be there. 4, 4. 3 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in the first row should be there. So 2 numbers left now in the first row for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 3 to 7, 3 to 7. We have 3 in the second column. No 7. 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3, 4 is missing. 5 is missing. 4 to 5, 4 to 5. We have a 5 in this second row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 3 and 4 are left in this big square. We have a 4 in the second row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. So 3 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2 is missing. The 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 2, 3, 6. 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 6. And look, we have 2 and a 3 in this column. No 2 and a 3 in this box. 2 and a 3 goes in those 2 boxes. Disappear. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 goes there. So 1 is left in this big square for number 6. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 place left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. Well, we have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. We have a 1 in the middle column, no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. Wow. What are these 3 missing numbers in this row? Those numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 9 is missing. 4, 8, 9. Okay. I need a 7 here. Okay. 4, 8, 9. These 3. No. 4, 9, 5. Yeah, 4, 9, 5. 4, 4. One of the missing number in this big square is number 9. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5 is missing. 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Two numbers left now in this column. Four numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and 5. 7 and the 5. Two numbers left in the middle column. Four numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. Alright, so we need a 2 there. Come on. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 6, 6. Need a 7 there. Yeah. Need a 4 here. 4, 8, 9. Need a 6 there. I'm thinking. Need a 6 there. 2 there. Need a 2 there also. Yeah. What's happening? 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left, 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the last row, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row, so no row between. The only place left 3 should be there. Mark those 2 marks earlier with a 3. We have a 3 in this column, last column, so no 3 there, 3 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 7. So the 7 goes there, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 4 to 5, we have 4 now in the middle row, no 4 there, 4 should be here, the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row, 4 numbers, the 1, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, 2 to 5, 2 to 5, we have 5 in the first column, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above, so that row. The only 2 places left, the 2 should be here on there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. In this row, we need a 5. Yeah, we need a 5. Well, here can be 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. Here can be 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. So the only place left is 5. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this row. For numbers 4 to 9, 4 to 9. We have a 9 in the third column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 4 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 4. 4 this row, 4 the row below, so last row, the only 2 places left, 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in the last column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 1 box left now in this column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this big square for the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 5 and 8, 5 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Alright, 4, 8, 9, and 4, 8, 9. Okay, how about these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6 is missing, 7 is missing, 1, 6, 7. And look, we have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 in the second column, no 7 there. Only place level 7 should be there. So the 1 and the 6 are left. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 1 goes there. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So the third column, the only place level 6 should be there. All right. One number left in the third column. For the number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Here, 2 numbers left. For numbers 4 to 9. Yeah. Oh, we have a 4 in the first column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes and there. The 9 in the first column, the 9 in the third column, so the column 3. The only two places left on the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. Two numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 in the first column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 and a 7, we have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 7 and a 5, we have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Final two numbers, 5 and 8, we have 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 15 minutes. Well, told you, should be at 2 stars. But we solve it again, and I like this one, yes I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. We'll meet again in the evening with the other 4 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.